Yeah, Bros here, and yeah, in case you just saw the last one, like probably about 2 minutes ago, yeah, we're back with this thing again, and I will be drilling more holes in it. So here we go. Hopefully you guys will enjoy this. Alright, so I don't want to. I'm going to start with this Okay, oh yeah. Obviously, it will not. That's why. Right there. We are back with the. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh yeah. What? Now, obviously, at the end, we're gonna put some Gorilla Glue. I keep saying Gorilla Glue on that sucker. Oh yeah. Okay, next one. We're gonna go right here. We're gonna go right here, and then. Okay. There we go. Next one. Put the bad boy in there. Oh, wait, we already got a hole. Wait, what the frick? We got a hole in there. Hey, yeah, move along. Come here. Guys, I was just kidding. Relax. I was just kidding. Okay. See that dust? Yeah. Don't forget, we got like 3 more, baby. We got 3 more to do. Get in there, you monsters. What? Ooh, why is that red? What? Why is that red? You guys see that? Wait, did I cut myself? I didn't cut myself. Look at that. that squeaky noise. It doesn't hurt my ears. It's just like, ugh, you know, like chalk on a chalkboard. 2 more to go. It's back. Now, obviously, this thing's not gonna fit. And if you, where's the camera facing? I hope. Yeah, obviously, this thing's not gonna fit. Here, actually, let me bring it down here for y'all. Because, look at that hole. Do you see this hole right here? Obviously, it's not gonna fit. Look at that. Won't ever go in. So, what we have to do is we have to get a good angle on this so you guys can see. Yeah. So what we have to do is we have to drill like a second one. Sorry you guys hear that on camera. Sorry about that. Okay. So now here's the struggle. This is where you can't even freaking get it in. You gotta go like this. Yeah, see how it just goes in like either one? See that? Okay, hold on. Let's see if we can. Okay, maybe push it in just a little. No. See, this might not work, guys. The last bolt is so like fat and wide. Oh wait! We missed one, guys. What are we doing? Where? It was like a mini baby. Wait, so that means we have to drill another one. Wait, hold up, guys. Are we? There's freaking gum on my foot. Whoever spit that out. Oh my god, there's another screw. Dude, how many did we miss? Sorry, my foot's in the way. I don't know how to get this. Alright, so anyway, we missed like 3 freaking screws. Boom. Okay, last one. It's gonna be hard. It's actually really hard if you're going backwards. Oh, that's hot. Oh, that's hot. That was hot. What I just touched, that was hot. Finally. No, we gotta let this dry all day. Okay, perfect, don't move. Dang it! You gotta be kidding me. Kidding me. Okay, we gotta whale this thing. Just kidding, guys. Yeah, we want it. Yeah. That's how we're getting it in. And that screw. Okay, that should be good enough, I mean, because, yeah. Okay, so now this, alright, so you guys see this little line right here? See that? Sorry, guys. See that little, hold on, focus camera. See that little black line right here? Yeah, that's Sharpie. This is where the end of the board has to go in order to make this happen. And then it has to go the other way. God dang it. Don't fall out, nails. Don't fall out. Sorry guys, you're not seeing this, but this has to be really careful. And boom. Perfect. Perfecto. Right on the line. Okay guys. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed that little construction work. I got freaking gum on my foot. There's the gum right there. There's a piece of my foot, sorry. Anyway, guys, I don't know if you guys heard from the last video. Sorry, I don't know if you guys heard from the last video, but yeah, Trubisky passed away. Yep, he died. So we buried. I hate flushing fish. I just hate it. So this is his grave. There's his headstone. Right where my foot is where he's buried. So yeah. Sorry about that, guys. If I didn't record it or didn't record a video like 3 days after, I'm sorry. Sorry about it. Anyway, guys, D&D Hockey Bros, peace out.